Hi, this is Woo-Jang. Welcome to my channel. I picked up my Model Y last week and I reviewed the exterior on the previous video. There are some things that improved from Model 3, but some missing features like all the dim side mirrors and home link. I'll link my exterior review video above. We'll look at Model Y interior today, and going to compare with Model 3 and see what has changed and improved. From Model Y, you won't notice a big difference from Model 3 because of their same minimalistic interior and share the most of the parts like 15-inch touchscreen, center console, seats, and so on. Air ventilation is in one continuous piece, and you can control the speed and direction from the touchscreen. There are two scroll buttons on the steering wheel to adjust side mirrors, control music, set autopilot speed, adjust following distance, and many more. Model Y uses a vegan leather and it felt a little bit smoother than Model 3, and the seat felt slightly more comfortable. Both front seats are equipped with power adjustment and added riser between the floor. On Model 3, there's some deep on the driver and front passenger foot area, but Model Y has a flat floor. Here are the floor mats from Model 3, and it looks like there is slightly more space. The aluminum alloy pedal only comes with a performance version, but you can buy third-party pedals look exactly like performance and easily mount them here. The sun visor also changed a bit. Many cars including Model 3 have clip-style sun visor and you need some force to take it out. If you're not careful, you could break the clips. Now it changed to a magnetic style like Model X, and it's a lot easier to move it around. The rear view mirror arms had changed due to higher roof, and with hatchback, the visibility isn't that great compared to Model 3. I always use a rear view camera when I back it up anyway, so it shouldn't be a big issue. With the 15-inch touchscreen, you can control various settings, watch Netflix or YouTube, or play games on it. Tap on the fan icon to see airflow movements in 3D and adjust them with your fingers. I'll cover the detailed functionality of touchscreen on upcoming videos, so please subscribe if you don't want to miss them. The center console has a piano black trim, and it's the same parts from Model 3. I'm planning to wrap it with matte black film to hide some fingerprints later. Underneath the center console, it now has one USB-C and one USB-A port. And Model Y comes with a wireless charging pad, and it's connected to USB-C port for power. Because electric cars don't have a transmission or drive shaft, they could utilize the center space with a deeper storage space. It has total of 14 speakers and subwoofers in the back, and due to hatchback style, 2 speakers are installed on the liftgate. Let's take a look at the rear seats. A huge panoramic roof is the main thing that catches my eyes the most. With the front seats pushed back, you can still have enough space to move your leg around, and my knee wasn't touching the front seat. Because the rear seats are also on the riser, your feet have more room to move around and have more comfortable posture. It's definitely a benefit for longer trips. Here are the floor mats from Model 3, and as you can see, the foot area has been increased a bit. The LED lights move to the side and have a clothing hook on the right next to it. Model Y now has 2 USB-C ports for rear passengers. It's 60/40 split seats, and it can recline to 3 separate positions by pressing the button on the side. When it reclined all the way, my head was touching the side pillar a little bit, so the middle angle seems to work best for me. The width of the armrest got wider than Model 3, and you can raise the middle headrest. There's a huge cargo space in your trunk. You can put a lot of stuff here, and there are 2 secret compartments below the floor cover. The first one is very spacious, and you can put carry-on bags here. Another one has the same width but very shallow. You can fit a Tesla mobile charging bag, or I think it's good space to put something like a car cleaning kits. If you want to do car camping or need to load larger items, you can fold down the rear seats. There are 2 buttons on the right side of the trunk. Pull that button, or you can use the button on the seats to fold them down. It's not completely flat, but I think this should work just fine when I do car camping. Another small detail I found was the front door seal. Tesla Chrome deleted the outside trims, and the door seals are also blacked out to match with others. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments and I'll try to answer them. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. See ya!